my name's Charlie and I am the lead educator for Curlsmith. Today's video is all about how to condition curly hair. The role of the conditioner is to smooth the cuticles and restore moisture and shine to the hair. And with conditioners usually comes a lot of slip, because that slip allows you to detangle whilst avoiding any breakage. So within our range we've got a variety of rinse outs and hair masks. So let's take a closer look at those. We've got 6 altogether. So our lightest conditioner that we have on offer is our calming conditioner. This is great for soothing and hydrating the hair. Next we've got our glow perfecting conditioner, and this is great for enhancing natural shine and moisturising and smoothing the hair. And then we have our shine conditioner. This is great for enhancing natural shine, moisturising and leaving the hair silky soft. It's been dermatologically tested, so it's great for those with scalp and fragrance sensitivities. Next we've got our multitasking conditioner. So this is actually a 3-in-1. It can be used as a leave-in, a hair mask or a rinse out conditioner. It's great for those with damaged hair that require a little bit of protein, but again the protein is used in a low dosage, therefore you don't have to worry about protein overload if you use it often. We then have our Hydro Creme Soothing Mask. You leave this on the hair for 15 to 30 minutes to allow that deep intensive treatment. We then have our Double Cream Deep Quencher. This is the most nourishing mask that we have available. It's great with those with medium to coarse hair, and you leave it on the hair for 15 to 30 minutes to really allow the product to penetrate and moisturise those thirsty locks. Before applying the conditioner, section the hair to ensure even distribution. Use a detangling tool of your choice, working your way from the ends up to the root. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and then wrap your hair using a microfiber towel. Now let's talk about leave-in conditioners. The role of the leave-in conditioner is to moisturise, help with further detangling and also prime the hair ready for the styler. Let's take a look at the 5 leave-in conditioners available in our range, starting with the lightest conditioner all the way up to our most nourishing leave-in conditioner. We have our Moisture Memory Reactivator, which is amazing for all hair types, but especially great for fine hair. You can also use this on dry hair as a refresher. We then have our Weightless Air Dry Cream. This is great for defining the curl and moisturising the hair without weighing it down. Next we have our Shine Cream. It's great for definition and moisture, suitable for those with scalp and fragrance sensitivities as it's been dermatologically tested. Next we have our 3-in-1 multitasking conditioner, which can be left in the hair as a leave-in. It contains a low dosage of protein, so you don't need to worry about protein overload. It also helps to moisturise and define the curl. We then have our Curl Conditioning Oiling Cream. This is the most nourishing leave-in conditioner we have. It's suitable for those with thirsty, dehydrated hair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.